If you pee when you sneeze, you need to use one of these. This is a thigh master, but it's also a pelvic floor trainer. Every time you squeeze it, you are strengthening those deep abdominal muscles and your pelvic floor. I've been using this for over 2 months now, and it has made a huge difference in everything down there. Everything is snatched up. Whether you just had a baby, maybe you had a baby a long time ago, or you're older, we all need to work on our pelvic floor, especially the older we get. It's so easy. I try and do at least 100 every single day. Do it while you're lying in bed, at your desk, or watching TV. It is so easy. I love this one. It has a counter on it. It ships for free. It is like the most affordable exercise thing that you can do, but makes such a huge difference.